Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create teacher question bank on Canva. So the first thing you want to do is to go to your Canva app and or the website version and go to the search bar and input this keyword teacher question bank. Now for some reason there are not enough templates on Canva. It seems that it's not used, so you can also create one and send it to the Canva team for everyone to use. So what will you make use of this particular template? So all you have to do is to click on it and customize it. Then it should appear in a page like this. Now you just have to customize it to your taste. You can change the color, you can change the text, you can also remove every item or any item that is not peculiar to your course. So thank you guys and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section, and if you have any other suggestion for how to create a teacher's question bank on Canva, let me know. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Have a great day.